This is the Pivo Lite. It's a glorified cell phone mount, in my opinion, but I'm curious on what it could really do based on the Instagram posts I've seen where people do these crazy things simply by using it. So here's an unboxing of the Pivo Lite. A side note, the $80 price tag that I've mentioned only has the pod itself, the Pivo Lite. The only reason why I got the remote was that when I purchased it, the website actually states that it comes with a remote. So I reached out to them and then they apologized for it. They said they made a mistake. So I'm getting this one for free. And that's that. There's really nothing much in the boxes, so let's see if I'm gonna use this one frequently. See you guys on the next unboxing.